What's new in Inverness? Inverness introduces safeguarding instant alerts, safeguarding improved intent engine, a new Firewall user interface, and Firewall log viewer. Due to the extensive changes made in Hurst release to the underlying Smoothwall file system, it is imperative that you upgrade to Hurst first, before continuing to upgrade to the Inverness release. Navigating to System, Maintenance, Updates and Releases, releases new functionality and major upgrades, you will see that the Inverness release does not appear until Hurst is installed. If you are unable to see the update, see our knowledge base at kb.smoothwall.net. Upgrading to Hurst can take approximately 30 minutes to complete, as the Smoothwall reboots up to 4 times. It is recommended that you complete this process when your network is quiet, for example out of hours. Once Hurst is successfully installed, navigating to the updates now shows Inverness release as available.
Safeguarding instant alerts. Inverness brings you awaited features in safeguarding. Due to popular demand, we have added the ability to set up notifications and alerts against user groups. Now when you click to create a notification, you can choose from your available user groups. It is still possible to select everyone or type the name of an individual user. You can now also set up instant alerts, which will notify designated people immediately of any danger level breaches that match the setup criteria. You can set these to either alert you via email or SMS. Safeguarding improved intent engine. Thanks to customer feedback, we have also improved the information that the safeguarding reports display. Clicking on the username and also on an individual breach, you will see a reduced number of entries. Our aim in Inverness was to give you a closer representation of user intent. Applying intelligent filters, we have cut out irrelevant data such as search suggestions, search results and tracking sites to allow you to focus on the sites users have actually visited. You can still view this data on the full report by clicking the Hide Web Furniture toggle.
Introducing our Inverness release Firewall and Firewall log viewer. Our objectives for this release were to consolidate several separate configuration pages into a more conventional Firewall rules interface that's easier to understand and to configure. Log Viewer has also been updated to make it easier to view and troubleshoot your Firewall configuration. Your Firewall configuration is now found under Firewall Rules for traffic routing through the Smoothwall, Smoothwall Access for controlling access to your Smoothwall system, for example administrative access. Ethernet bridging, as before, contains Layer 7 DPI rules specific to those running in an Ethernet bridging mode. Port forwarding section now also benefits from a new interface. Our new Firewall Rules user interface makes it easy to view all the rules and the specification of each rule. We've included sections to assist with organizing groups of similar rules to make administration easier. Rules are applied to the traffic from the top down until a match is found and the action is applied. If you need to reorder a rule or section, you can simply drag and then save in its new position. Our new modal for creating and editing rules combines all the configuration options onto one page, reducing the number of clicks you need to make. You can create and use objects for groups of IPs or services, so one rule can apply to many different addresses, and you can reuse these objects later for other rules. Firewall Log Viewer allows you to view any traffic you've configured to log, and we've tried to display as much technical information about the connection on the page to help you quickly find what you're looking for. We've added new filters that can be combined if you're looking for a specific connection or perhaps troubleshooting traffic from a specific host. Action indicates what action was applied by the firewall. The rule will display the name of the firewall rule and will link you through and highlight the applicable rule. You may also see bad external traffic rule logged. This is the default firewall rule applied to block all external internet traffic that's not otherwise being permitted. It's also worth noting that if you have configured a port forward rule, this traffic will automatically be allowed through the firewall without the need for additional firewall rules. We hope this refresh to our firewall system helps make things easier for all you firewall system administrators, and we're always keen to hear your feedback. Why not join the discussion at community.smoothwall.net? Thanks for watching.